Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco X3i headphones, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily install it up for your iPhone and how to set up your headphones with it. At first, open App Store and enter search. In the search bar, search for HeyMelody. HeyMelody here. Here, this is this application from Guangdong HeyTap Technology. Here you'll see Get button. You have to tap on this Get button and authorize yourself using Face ID or Apple ID password, and then tap Install. Here, as you can see, I have this application now installed. We have to tap Open. Here, agree and continue, allow. And now, as you can see, my device is automatically added, because we are paired with our headphones right now. Let me show it to you. As you can see, if you are not, we have to just open the case and our headphones will be added automatically. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.